before I even show y'all this one right here, y'all, this load threw me for the loop. And cause I never hauled one of these, boy. I never hauled one of these, y'all. And I'm looking at this one. Y'all see this load? Y'all see this trailer? This is a 53-foot trailer, step deck right here. And this one's a 48. And I seen this. Cold Springs use only, y'all. And I've been here before. Way back when. And they want me to take this all the way to the West Coast, y'all. And it's like 4 stops on this load, and all I can say, they got a lot of confidence in me, y'all. They got a freaking lot of confidence in me to make this one happen, y'all. I mean, ain't nothing to it but to do it, but listen. They got this granite company up here. And, you know, last time I was here, I went to a graveyard, but I ain't going to a graveyard this time. Look, Memorial Park, y'all. Oakmont Memorial Park. But look, y'all gonna have to help me with this one. This ain't no Bobcat. This ain't no excavator. This is a whole F-150, y'all. A whole F-150. And that's the company where I'm at, y'all. Cold Springs Granite Company up here in Minnesota. And we gotta get to throwing these scraps. We can't put no scraps on no freaking truck, y'all. What was you thinking? Why would you say you want to put some scraps on this truck? Oh, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boys done got the scraps on there. Got a few chains on there. This one was kind of a little puzzle, you know what I mean? It was kind of a little puzzle, but we got it done. The truck only weighed 5,000 pounds, y'all. So, you know, it's... Me personally, y'all, I don't like F-150s. I don't like Fords regardless. But look, it's on the trailer, and I'm finna be gone. But look, we got the scraps on the back. We got some edge protectors on here. So you want to damage our scraps, start tearing those up. And then, look right there. Y'all see that hump? Y'all see that freaking hump? Oh. These loads like this, man, let me tell y'all something. These loads like this with a truck and other stuff, knickknacks like that, like look at this. It's crated all in, you know what I mean? But it ain't going nowhere, you know what I mean? It's time to get on the road. We gotta travel 2,000 miles, y'all, to go deliver. So we on the long haul. We is on the long haul. Just know that we going freaking west. Look, snippy out here. Look at that horse trailer, baby. Oh, man, 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 man. Load run good, y'all. Chain still tight. Oh shoot, man. Everything's still looking good. Oh man, 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 man. Oh shoot. We over here at the Loves, y'all. It's delivery day. It's been a long, 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 long journey, y'all. 2,000 miles. And we made it to California, y'all. It's currently, what time is it? It is literally, it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning, y'all. Diesel is $6.12. Use your credit card, it's gonna be $6.17. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Hold on, I gotta get my doggone bar out of here. Gotta have it. Ah, oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look here, boy. We done made it. We is all the way over here in the boondocks of California, y'all. Finna deliver. And I talked to my guy over there. He don't know how he'll get this truck off the trailer. I was telling him they put it on the trailer and I was gone, you know. So he said y'all go find me some ramps. But I know that I'm about to move my boards and move my tarp. I got a hammer so I can knock this off, you know what I mean, these wedges. And yeah, move my tarps and move my board so they can bag it off. And I tell y'all, that was a long 2,000 miles, y'all. I think it was like 2,070. But we made it here safe and sound, y'all. Come on, y'all, coming too. Literally, elbow grease. I need all y'all that's watching right now. Stop what y'all doing and go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Snapchat. Fun fact, y'all. Y'all see that trailer? It say Cold Springs use only, okay? This company where I'm at right now is literally a sister company from where I picked up, Cold Springs. And this just a Cold Springs up here in California. Well, it'll be way over here in California. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We done got unloaded. We had to put our boards back up here, you know, where they're supposed to be with our tarp. And guess what? We getting a reload right up out of here. Right from where we standing there right now. We were just over there, you know what I mean? Now we over here. We loaded. We is loaded, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got this big old rock. This big old rock got some history on it, y'all. I was talking to the guy that loaded me over there, y'all. Over there where that crane's at. And he said that over that mountain over there, y'all, a rock literally is inside the ground that they've been drilling off of this right here. It is 3 miles into the ground. You know what I mean? They like send vibration down there to see when they get the what is it? The survey for it. And this one is like somebody else's history, you know what I mean? And I feel like it's very interesting, for real, to be honest, because you look around, they got stones, rocks everywhere, y'all. And you know, I deliver headstones here. And where I'm taking this, like I told y'all earlier, it was sister companies. So they need this at their sister company so they can get some, you know what I mean, get some more. Look at that. We got to move that, man. We're gonna have to move that, because I was looking at that tire and y'all see how it's like kind of been chewed up a little bit. It just happened. But I'm about to move my winches down a little bit to fix that. But that's no big deal. But look at this rock, y'all. See, we going back to Minnesota. We gonna throw these chains and ain't even look up. Let me show. I didn't show you the top. Look, you can tell where they've been drilling from. You see? Y'all see that? Dang, this is a big old rock, bro. I think it's like 44,000 pounds. That's what the guy was selling me. Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Now we got our chains thrown, our edge protectors on here. Got some rubber edge protectors on there. And then, hold on, I want to show y'all something. Hold on. Y'all remember how I said where they was drilling these holes there right here, y'all? You can see like the grooves where they were drilling. And I did not want to run my chains through there, because that chain can get like locked in there. And then it might not even be tight, you know what I mean? Because it's locked inside that drill hole. So, well, drill groove, you know what I mean? So I put it on top of it. Oh, man. I'm gonna drop another chain right here, because I don't like this gap. You feel me? I do not like this gap. We didn't got loaded. And this one took a little bit longer than I thought it would. But look, we didn't spend too much time here. So we unloaded here, reloaded here, and we finna be gone. Put it on the trailer, and I'm gone.
Having thoughts knowing they dead wrong. Conscious telling me keep my head strong. I got a family I'm gon' feed.
We is out here in freaking Utah, and I had to stop to show y'all this. Look at this, y'all. Look at God's creation, y'all. Look at this. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty, y'all. Look at that. Look at this. Just look at this. Golly, Jesus Christ, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, y'all.